We're going to show a video how to engrave medical keys with the brand new Engrave-It Pro. And we're using this platter right here, the medical key platter. And here's the medical keys. Now notice the name is there, so we have to engrave right below. And we're going to engrave this lettering right here. So we had to put it up there for this one, but now we're going to put 4 down there. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we're going to use the software. So we're going to open up this software. It's called Vision Expert 9. Comes with the Engrave-It Pro. And we're going to double click on that. And we're going to close this splash screen. We're going to go up to the right corner over here, File, and we're going to click File. We're going to open up a new project. Now notice right here in this little box, these are the templates. So the top one's the one I've been using for Medico. I highlight that and I double click. Now that is the Medico template platter. I say open. That screen only appears because we downloaded some new software into this. Now notice, there's the key. There's the Medico key. And there's the text. And now it starts off factory fresh with the text would be located basically right here. But somebody had put that, so I had to move the very first one, the text up there. So now we're going to do 4 keys with the text right there. All right. So first of all, we highlight. You got to get the cursor right on that text, and you double click it. First you click off of it. Make sure it's not in blue. Then you double click right over that. And now I can delete this text. And I'm going to put in what's on there. This beautiful engraving, notice it? It even has a shine to it. I'm going to put in V, A, 02 space DT. So let's see, did I do that right? Very important, these keys have to be sent back if you make a mistake. So it's VAA02 DT. Okay, I like that. Now we're going to click off the screen and we're going to, if we get off of there, we have to push F3. We go up. See, the software wants to know if we're going to do multiples of these keys. You have to tell it how many. So we're going to tell it right now. We're going to do 4. So we're going to delete 21, which the tray holds 21 keys. We're going to put in 4. And we're going to now there's what's on the key. Notice it's right there. It's on the key. That's it. Now we're going to say OK to it. Notice right here, there's the platter. When it was 21, you had the entire platter. Now we're going to say OK. Now watch. There's the 4 keys. Notice that. 4 keys. All right. Now, that's the project is set up. Now we're going to go over here to the left corner, right here, and we're going to notice up here in the top corner it says metal diamond drag. That's what we're doing. We're just going to drag a diamond over the top of that key. All right, we say OK. Boom, we're ready to rock. All right, now let's go over to the machine. Now notice down in the front, right here, there's a start button. And notice the stop button right here. If anything happens after I push that start button, I'm pushing that stop button. So it's huge, you can stop it. You don't have much time though. All right, so we're going to insert these keys. So let's show you the platter. Notice I want to put that side of the key up. They just pop right in. There's a little spring steel up here. You pop them in, pop them in, pop them in. They're all in the right direction. I want that words to be right there. Now we're going to push start. And if we're going to zoom in on this, notice here's the diamond cutter over here. There's the diamond cover. There is a cover plate that goes over this whole setup, but I took it off so you could see this. So that diamond cutter is right at home, right in this corner of the platter, and it's going over here. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, start. Oh yeah. Now get right on top of that. Notice how that's cutting in. Great engraver. Brand new Engrave-It Pro by Ilco with Vision Expert software. I can even speed up this process. There's an XY speed, and I'm going to speed it up a little bit. Faster. Beautiful job, huh? There it goes back home. We are done. This project is over. Now let me show you a key. Look at that. Beautiful. Just what we want. All right, I love that. And we're using this beautiful brand new Engrave-It Pro by Ilco. Nice machine, huh?